Alright, hey everybody, Mr. Moonbears again with yet more unboxings. Just got two in the mail, traded some members off of Blade Forms. I'll open them and tell you about the trade and what knife I trade and whatnot. For everything to do the unboxing, I'll be using my Benchmade 940. You know, I really like trading. It's just, I get to try out other knives for just knives, really, just trade them. So it's pretty nice. I having to spend that money all the time. So about all these packaging peanuts we got in here. Alright, and first up, let's see. Oh, I haven't seen this before. As you can tell, it's a Benchmade blue box, but it's the lettering's raised. I don't know if it's usually like that. I'll check later. But as you can tell, it is a 940. Another one, but in D2, limited edition. So let's check it out. For this knife, I actually traded my Gale Bradley by Spyderco. Awesome knife, never really carried it, but that M4 steel is really, really rust prone, and I live in southern Louisiana, so I can't really, be having that. Alright, let's check it. So this is in D2 steel. I know what some of you guys are probably thinking, that's, I can rust too, that's not stainless. Well, no, it's not as bad as M4 though. And I keep all my knives tough cloth, and, so I think this should be okay. This is limited edition 57 out of 240. I don't know if you can see that there. But feels like a great knife. Can't wait to get some use out of it. Looks really good. So just put this one to the side and open up the other box for y'all. Alright. This one, or these I should say, I traded my Rock Lobster for. And let's see what they are. A Spyderco and another Spyderco. I'll open this little guy first. This is the, I actually forgot the name of this one, but little bitty knife, frame lock, which is funny because this is actually my first frame lock. So it's like a handy little knife though. Up next, onto the main course. We have education. A Spyderco Mannix, the foliage green Sprint, in that Carpenter steel. It's a very nice feeling knife. It's my first impression. That ball lock is pretty hard to undo. Alright, well, this was another unboxing for y'all. I hope you enjoyed it.